Hi guys, welcome back to another video. This is Hollow, and today in this video I'm going to be showing you how to build the centerpiece of your workshop, your workbench. This is the one that we made a while ago and it's made out of scrap, but we're going to be showing you today how to build it out of standard materials that you can get basically anywhere. First thing that I'm going to be doing is finding the center of our piece of stud that will make up the frame. So now what I'm going to do is make a straight line using a carpenter's square. Here we have the 12 pieces that make up the frame for what is going to be our workbench. And now we're going to get gluing. Off camera, finished up the bottom frame. Now we're going to glue and screw the legs in. You might be able to tell that what we've done is taken the frame and flipped it upside down. This is the bit that we've already glued and screwed. We've got it propped up on some of our offcuts. Don't throw them out, they've turned out to be really helpful during this project. And what we're going to do is glue around the sides here, remove all of them and drop the frame down and then screw it. So here I've got the Einhell belt sander. We picked this up recently. I haven't actually used it yet. This would have been really handy on a couple of other projects in the past, but we're going to be using it here to level out some of these high spots where we've joined them. So that's not terrifying. So with that all sanded flush, we can move on to marking out the holes for our casters. So we've drilled some pilot holes because these are massive, and we're just going to give them some friendly encouragement with a hammer. With the frame all done, we can now move on to marking and cutting both the top and the bottom shelf. Wheels. It is finally time to put both the top and bottom on the workbench. So I've got this bit on here. We're going to drill the holes that I've just marked up. Okay, so I think I'm finally at a point with this project where I can comfortably call it done. I think I'm still going to do some more sanding after this to get a smoother finish, and by the time you've finished watching this, I would have spent about 7 days on this project after school. It is currently about 11, but I'm extremely happy with how this turned out. I think this is the project that I'm most proud of so far. I'm sure future me will look back at this and go, that's horrible, but at least it's solid. It stays in place when you lock the casters and it glides across the floor when you unlock them. Yeah, I'm just really happy with it. So if you did enjoy, then please like, please subscribe, tell people about it, share the video, because I spent way too much time on it. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.
Yeah, go on, open it.
Oh wow, this is what I've always wanted. 18mm plywood. Oh, you're the best daddy ever.
Is it the right colour?
Yeah, exactly.
Is it the one you wanted?
Yeah, this is the one I wanted.
I'm so pleased. Do you really like it, Harry?
I do really like it. You know what I'm going to do? I'm going to build a workbench with it.
Brilliant idea.
Chickens, what do you think? Thanks, guys.